Hi guys, Michelle, coming to you from sunny Florida. Of course, it's nighttime now, but from Grateful Creations. Welcome to my channel. Well, this is the moment of truth. I have tried a couple of things, and one was too thin, so it wasn't selling up at all, so I ended up blowing it out. But there was another one that turned out pretty good, and I'm just gonna go for it. So this is my cloud mix. Let's just pour this out. And I have painted my sides this time. Still moving pretty quick. This one I did a little bit thicker than the last one. I need more. This is a 16-ounce cup. This canvas takes 16 ounces of paint. So there it is, all of it. I've got some reserve back here, so I can use some of that if I want to do anything else with this. There we go. Looks like it's covered pretty well. Now, of course, I'm trying something new, and it's on a 20 by 20, so hopefully this works. I'm going to do a dirty pour and throw it in the middle and see what happens. So this is my blue mix, which was 3 different colors, 3 or 4. I'll list them in the description. And then I'm going to, this is also aqua mix, which is 2 different colors. And I'm going to put a little bit of gold in it, just a little. And I'm just going to throw it on here and swirl it. Well, that's interesting. So here we go. Not wasting any time. Stretching it out. See if we can get some good cells going. I might keep some negative space. Looks like some major cells from the gold. I'm going to go back. Still lots of paint on here. I was going to do a monochromatic, and I decided not to. Because I like color. Color's my friend. All right, let's take a look at this. Bring it down a bit. Oh, I see what's happening over here in this on my sides. The cells are beautiful. I'm probably going to play with this a little bit too. All right, I'm going to leave it right now. Let it develop. And wow, look at all those cells. All right, so definitely the extra satin enamels is going to help here. I'm going to put you on time lapse. right, guys. This is it. I gotta go to bed. It is beautiful. I had my doubts at first. Wow, that gold is really sparkling. These kind of got a little wonky down here. That's what happens when you stretch. It's just part of the process. I'm loving that. And I love those jagged edges. I just love them. I don't know, I think this blue, the blue tends to react best. I'm finding. And it's a nice contrast too. But look at that webbing, isn't that beautiful? And of course I did some enhancements. There's some more webbing and cells. And I added a little bit of interest there. And those are big, fat, fluffy clouds. And I really like that turquoise between the cells and that navy too. They almost look 3D, these cells, don't they? Hopefully they stay like that. There's some nice contrast between the dark blue and the aqua. This got a little crazy, that's why I did a lot of enhancement here. Not super happy with that part, but overall it's a good piece. And please be safe and create.